I got bored, so we're going to be making some peanut butter cookies today. And when I tell you, these are really easy to make, and you can make them, prep them in 15 minutes, and they'll be in the oven for like 10 minutes. Alright, this is my take on a PB&J. I wanted to do something different. And I forgot to say hi again. I'm so rude. Hi, everybody.
Well, hello, fellow hunker-downers.
Now we're about to get into the recipe. This, like I said, is so easy and you can get this done really, really quickly. So if you're the type of person who has nighttime cravings like I do, this might be a little bit dangerous because you can get this done before you even decide what you want off of Uber Eats. Okay, so first thing I'm starting off with is 2/3 cups of flour in one bowl with some baking soda, and I'm also going to be adding some baking powder. All of the ingredients are going to be down in the description bar with the exact measurements, so you don't have to worry about keeping up with exactly what I'm doing on the screen. I'm just trying to show you how to do it, and then you can print out or copy and paste the ingredients down below. Now the thing is, if you're going to add salt to this recipe, make sure that you use unsalted butter. And since I'm going to be using salted butter, I didn't add any salt to my dry mix. So I'm going to put a note in the ingredients about what to do if that's your situation. So on top of adding my butter, I'm going to add in some white sugar. And with the white sugar, I'm going to be adding in some brown sugar. Did y'all know that brown sugar is just white sugar with some molasses in it? Like, I didn't know that until like a couple months ago. I was like, ooh, I thought it was something different. But it's the same thing with some molasses in it. So I'm mixing up all of those ingredients, the white sugar, the brown sugar, and the butter, until all of those get creamy. At this point, I'm going to add in my off-brand peanut butter, and I want y'all to start thinking about liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment because I'm trying to get myself to 500 subscribers, and it would help me out a lot if y'all hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment. So grab your fork and make sure that all of that stuff is smooth and mixed in well together. And now we're going to crack 1 egg into our bowl. I'm using a fork, and you can also use a whisk if you want to, but I wanted to show you that you don't need any special equipment to bake or to make cookies. What you just saw there is I added in some vanilla extract, and now I'm slowly adding our dry ingredients into the bowl with our wet ingredients and continuing to mix with my fork. Again, you can use your whisk if you want to, you can use a stand mixer if you want to, but you really don't have to. Anybody can make this cookie recipe, even if you don't have the equipment to make it.
You got it, dude!
So now I'm just going to use, again, my fork or a spoon to make little balls that are generally the same size, and you're just going to roll those between your palms. One thing that I wish I would have done differently when I made these cookies is when it comes time to flatten them out with the fork like I'm about to show you, I wish that I had put a little dent in the middle instead. That way I could fill up that dent with jelly and make it a real PB&J cookie. But you know what? It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
It was still good, and I put the jelly on the side. Now they're ready for the oven.
A few moments later.
I don't know why this reveal was so dramatic. I opened the oven door so quick for no reason. Your cookies are going to be in the oven for about 10 minutes, and you want to take them out and let them cool. I just served them with a little side of jelly, but like I said, if you can, just make a little dent in the middle of the cookie, and once they're cool, put your jelly in the center. Ooh, I wish I had done that. Thank you for stopping by at Season That Ish, and I hope to see y'all here next time. I got some more fire coming your way, and that's it. Bye.